corrosion and erosion in process plants. Welcome to our safety video on preventing corrosion and erosion in process plants. Corrosion and erosion can lead to equipment failure and safety hazards if not properly managed. Let's explore how we can prevent these issues effectively. Corrosion is an electrochemical reaction that weakens metals over time. It can be caused by factors such as exposure to chemicals, moisture, and varying temperatures. Types of corrosion include general corrosion, which affects exposed surfaces uniformly, and galvanic corrosion, caused by the interaction of dissimilar metals. Pitting corrosion, on the other hand, creates localized holes in metal surfaces. Erosion is another form of degradation caused by the flow of liquids or gases carrying abrasive particles, which can accelerate wear and tear in equipment like elbows, tees, and valves. Factors like solid particles, two-phase flows, and cavitation can significantly increase erosion rates in equipment. Corrosion and erosion can stem from various causes such as chemical exposure, temperature fluctuations, mechanical stresses, and even incorrect material selection during construction. Understanding these causes helps us implement effective preventive measures. Regular inspection and monitoring are crucial to identifying early signs of corrosion and erosion. Techniques like non-destructive testing, NDT, and thickness measurement are employed to assess equipment integrity. These inspections allow us to detect defects and plan maintenance before failures occur. Preventive measures play a vital role in combating corrosion and erosion. They include material selection, choosing corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel over mild steel. For instance, in plants handling nitric acid and nitrates, using stainless steel instead of mild steel can prevent nitrate stress corrosion cracking. Protective coatings, applying anti-corrosive paints and liners to surfaces exposed to corrosive environments. Regular painting of mild steel parts and using powder-coated metal parts instead of painted ones can extend equipment life. Cathodic protection, installing sacrificial anodes or impressed current systems to prevent galvanic corrosion, especially in buried or submerged equipment. Process control, monitoring flow rates, temperature, and chemical concentrations to minimize corrosive effects. For example, controlling water softening and salt removal to prevent scaling. These measures ensure the longevity and safety of our equipment and operations. By understanding the causes of corrosion and erosion, implementing regular inspections, and applying preventive measures, we can maintain the integrity of our equipment and ensure a safe working environment for everyone. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and remember, prevention is key to protecting our assets and ensuring operational reliability.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.